Hello, everyone. A common challenge for data teams today is simply having too many tools. One for ingestion, one for CDC, one for loading, another for orchestration, and often even more for monitoring and operations. That makes everything harder than it should be. WhaleStudio was built to change that. It's an all-in-one integration and orchestration platform that helps teams design, run, and operate data workflows in one place. WhaleStudio brings together ETL, orchestration, monitoring, low-code design, pro-code development, batch and CDC support, and 290-plus connectors in one unified platform. So instead of stitching together more tools, teams can simplify development, reduce operational overhead, and move faster with more confidence. Let me show you how that works. First, here in the Workflow Designer, teams can visually build pipelines using drag and drop. You can combine SQL, Shell, Python, stored procedures, dependency logic, branching, subflows, and data integration tasks in the same workflow. So instead of managing logic across separate schedulers and scripts, everything is orchestrated in one DAG. It's much simpler to design, schedule, and maintain, and it also supports dependency-aware scheduling and event-driven triggers for more dynamic workflows. Now let's move to data integration. This is where WhaleStudio really helps reduce tool sprawl. Instead of using one product for ingestion, another for CDC, and another for loading, WhaleStudio unifies batch, real-time, and CDC workloads in one platform. Teams can connect to enterprise systems and modern data platforms out of the box, including SAP, Oracle, MySQL, Snowflake, Redshift, S3, Iceberg, and many more. It also supports automatic table creation, schema synchronization, breakpoint resume, and full-to-incremental transitions, so data movement becomes much easier to manage at scale. And this matters in real enterprise environments. Many teams still need to move data from systems like SAP and Oracle into modern analytics platforms such as Snowflake, Redshift, or S3. Without a unified platform, that usually means more tools, more handoffs, and more operational overhead. With WhaleStudio, those pipelines can be built, scheduled, and operated in one place, which makes delivery faster and ongoing operations much more efficient. In the want case from the materials, WhaleStudio replaced a much more complex Talend-based stack and helped consolidate SAP, Oracle, and MySQL pipelines into a simpler Redshift-centered workflow model. And finally, it's not just about building pipelines. It's also about running them reliably. WhaleStudio provides monitoring, alerting, logs, backfill, rerun, skip, and manual operations in one platform. That gives teams much better observability and runtime control, which is critical in production. So the result is not only faster development, but also lower operational risk, lower maintenance overhead, and a much better day-two experience. So to summarize, WhaleStudio helps teams replace fragmented tooling with one unified platform for integration, orchestration, and operations. That means fewer tools to manage, faster pipeline delivery, simpler maintenance, and better production control. If your team is looking to simplify data integration, reduce operational complexity, and accelerate delivery across modern data platforms, WhaleStudio is built for exactly that. Instead of stitching together more tools, you can standardize on one platform and move faster with more confidence. WhaleStudio, the all-in-one data integration and orchestration platform for modern data teams. Thank you for watching.